Okay, we marked where we wanted to, marked it in here, and then we measured it out here and drilled our holes for the mouth. So we're going to mount this part in. And we're going to use 1 5/8 inch screw. No, we're going to go to 1 1/4 screw. Those are too big. Get that set, and then we'll screw this in. We bored this out so we can fill this with putty later. So we got that set. So what we got to do is we're going to take the mouth out, and we're going to take some off down in here so we get the mouth to open and close a little bit wider. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.